Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make a bralette. So let's get started. So first thing you need is that you'll be needing your measurement from your chest line to your underbust, from your chest to your underbust. So plus 1 inches stitching allowance. Mine is 10 plus 1 inches, that I'm placing 11. So I'll just be cutting that out. And for the breadth, I'm using from the center of your bust to the side of your bust. Mine is around 9 inches or thereabouts, and so that's what I'm cutting out. So it's like, yeah, plus the stitching allowances. So that's it. Your center bust to your side bust, that will be the width, while your chest line to your under bust will be the length. So here I'm just cutting out I think around 2.5 or 3 inches for the band. So it's not really long to my it's not really my waist circumference, because I'll be adding an elastic rubber to the back. So it's not really my waist circumference or my underbust circumference, because I'll be adding elastic band. If you know that you'll be adding a zipper, then I will say that you should add your zipper allowance together with your waist measurement. If you know you'll be adding maybe loop, so you should just know what to take out of your loop so that it will sit well on your back. So here I'm just cutting it out. The measurement I'm using here is 2.5. So here I went ahead to cut my lining like the way I cut the this particular shape. So I cut my lining like that. So the first thing you do is that you fold your fabric into two, then you fold it again. Like, I hope you understand what I did. Fold it into two along the width, then you fold it again. Sometimes you might try to use a square so that you will not be getting mixed up. So the next thing I'll be doing is that with just like that, I'll pick my cuff rule or anything, or you can use a free hand just to ensure that you don't have a sharp end. That's basically why you're doing this, so you don't have a sharp end. So just slightly, you cut that out and you just trim it off, just to make a cuff like that. So this is what you'll be having. So this is it for one layer and the second part. So the next thing you do is that you stitch it along that particular line, and you do exactly the same thing for your lining as well. So here I've already stitched my both sides. So this is how it's looking. You can see it like it's having that cup shape what your bra will be entering. So the next thing we're doing is that you'll be placing your lining and your fabric right sides facing each other. So guys, I'm sorry I didn't show this part. I went to make a strap just of like half of an inch. I fold everything to become half of an inch. I just make it like maybe how long ever you want it to be. So I'll be placing it just like that, and I'll be stitching the sides of my bralette. So this is how it's looking like. This is how it's looking. You can see how it's looking. It's already coming together. So the next thing you'll be doing is that the band I cut earlier, you'll be notching the center of it. You'll be having two, right? You'll be notching the center of it while you'll be placing it right side facing each other. So you'll be making sure that the one end of bralette is at the center, the other hand too is at the center, the parts you notch, and you'll be placing the other one on it like that, which making sure that everything is right side facing each other, and you make a straight stitch. So after making that, this is what you have. So the next thing is that you want to close up. So you fold everything inside it like this, and you stitch it, making sure you do not top stitch it though. Then you turn it with the side from the side O. Okay, I hope you understand what I'm doing. If you don't understand, I'll be in the comment section. You can always ask me any question. So here, because like I said earlier, this is not up to my waist measurement, so I'm adding an elastic band. You can decide to add a zipper. If your own is wider than this, you can decide to add a loop or anything. I decided to use an elastic band. So whatever you are using, just ensure that it is stretching enough to accommodate your bust if you want to wear it. And if you feel like, okay, elastic band is not going to work for you, you can use your zipper, you can use your loop. It will be more easier that way. And as you can see, this particular bralette is the one you tie on your neck. Like, you tie the strap to your neck. Like, it's not the one with like something you wear. You tie it at the back. So basically, I'll just be adding my elastic band like this, and I'll top stitch on it, folding in the rough side. So like I said, I'll be top stitching on the elastic fabric, making sure that I tuck in the rough side. Don't forget, I turn my bralette out from that small hole beside. It's actually not going to be easy, but you can do it. So you just turn it out from that rough side, and from that hole beside, you just tuck it in like I'm doing. So you put in your elastic band and you top stitch on it and to secure it down. So basically that is all. It's so simple. It's something you can do yourself. It's something you can do at home. So basically that's all, guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.